Guys, today's video is going to be really value packed. You see, this robot AI startup Physical Intelligence raised $400 million from Bezos, OpenAI, and a few other parties as well. And if you see their website, it looks just pretty basic, like a notebook or sort of notes that you have on your devices. And the name of the company is Physical Intelligence, and what they are doing is bringing general purpose AI into the physical world. So it's a group of engineers, scientists, roboticists, and company builders developing functional models and learning algorithms to power the robots of today. So this is the team. Anyways, let me show you their X account. So this is also their blog. You can see the type of the work that they are doing. And you know what, the interesting thing about this company is that they are valued at $2 billion after getting this $400 million funding. So this is their X account. So they have just like 12 posts, and their last post, it's like the same video from where they show robots doing the cleaning. And anyways, this is kind of huge because you see how these companies are bringing in all these huge sums of money from investors, like you see Bezos and also from OpenAI. So if we read the news over here, it says further that you see the new funds were raised at a $2 billion valuation, and Physical Intelligence is seeking to make a software that would work on any robot, eliminating the need to develop a software for each specific task. So guys, we need to keep an eye on such developments because these are going to shape our future. And now let's move on to the next update that I have for you. And the next important update right now is you see in generative AI. So this update is related to Kling AI, and the news is that creators are getting access for their custom face video model, and now you can use it to make text to videos featuring you. So this creator Parik Chevalier, he made some videos of himself, and there's another important creator Tech Hala. He also got the early access to the custom face video model, and he has generated some pretty amazing looking videos from Kling AI. So how did they do this? Let's break down the steps. So he says, before I explain how I trained the model, let's look at the AI generated clips. So you see, these are the AI generated clips. This seems sort of realistic. If you see here, if you notice the fire, then you can see that it's not that perfect, but anyways, he says that Kling now lets you train your own video models for character consistency, and if you're familiar with LoRa's, this is something similar. So according to his information, you would see a AI custom model button over here when you go to Kling AI, and then what you have to do is you have to put a lot of videos to train the model. So he says a lot of them in different settings and angles. Make sure they are high quality, well lit, and no people in the background, and around 10 to 15 seconds long. So these videos are going to be fed to the model for training on your face. And then in AI custom models, after accepting the terms and conditions, make sure to read them. Yeah, so obviously you have to read them. You'll need to upload a front-facing landscape video that's 10 to 15 seconds long, 180p and under 100 MB. No one else must be in the background, and ensure it's high quality with good lighting. Then it's time to upload all your videos. Once it's complete, you'll see an indicator showing how accurate our model will be. Ideally, you want it between enough and superb. So if we see the picture over here, so this is where it would show us this information. So what he mentions is that this will cost you 999 credits, but it's worth it. I hope so. So then he says that the process will take a few minutes, around 15 in his case. So once ready, you can go to AI video generation and select your face model in the text to video option. Okay, so you have to go to text to video over here, and here you can, in the prompting, you can go for a face model to be yours. Okay, then he says just write a prompt with the face model selected, describing the character and how they are dressed and what they are doing and their setting and the setting they are in. So here's the example of how I showed earlier, and I've included a few more prompts below if you need reference. So this is from Techhala. So the similar stuff is shared by Peric Chevalier as well. Takala says that this was his first try. I don't know what to expect, so I went with this. where so his face model wearing cyberpunk armor and holding a futuristic rifle, inspecting a dark laboratory, lanterns, light, and dramatic atmosphere. So not bad, interesting. Then he kept testing it, and he has made some other videos as well. So Kling AI is really leading the way here in generative AI video landscape. I think I should make this a thumbnail for the video that you are seeing right now. Then guys, if you have not come across the FreePix AI image generator, then you are also missing out on some interesting stuff as well. You see, FreePic is a website that has a huge database of images, stock videos, and all other resources. So what they are doing is they are using their database, and they are now giving you an option of AI image generation. So what I did for showing you its capabilities is that I went to Ideogram home feed and I took a prompt from over there, a hyper realistic owl crafted from a deep blue sapphire gemstones. So this is the whole prompt, the detailed prompt. I copied it and I went to the FreePix AI image generator, and over here what I did was that I put the prompt over here. So then for the style I selected photo. The mode was already on fast, flux fast. These are the results that it gave me. You see, this one, well, the gemstones here don't seem that much intriguing, but this one is better than the previous one. Okay, so I would say that this one is the best one amongst the ones that I generated. And if you compare it with this original one, there's a lot of difference. This seems like more better, but anyways, Flux is also an interesting tool and you should try it out as well. I'll put the link down in the description as well. Sorry, and I'm not talking about Flux, I'm actually talking about FreePic AI. So now let's move on to the next part of the video. So now guys, I'm going to tell you about the 7 AI related channels that you can go and consume their content, and you'd be more knowledgeable about AI related stuff. So first one is by Matt Wolf. He is a wonderful creator. The second channel is Deep Learning AI, and on their home screen they say that their mission is to grow and connect the global AI community. So they have a lot of technical videos. If you are interested in that sort of stuff, you can watch the videos over here. So the next channel is Futurepedia. So he also has some interesting content, although he has just uploaded 91 videos, but still you can learn a lot from here because these videos are comparatively longer and they'll give you a lot more insights and details. Then we have the AI Advantage. It is also one of my favorite channels. I watch a lot of videos from his his channel as well. Next up we have the channel Prompt Engineering. He has a total catalog of around 303 videos, and this is quite technical about prompt engineering and AI related stuff. So if it intrigues you, this channel is for you. Then the next channel is all about AI. I haven't seen many videos from this channel, but anyways, this is also a good one, and it's technical and it's also sort of general as well. So you can check out the channel if it intrigues you or if it is to your liking. Last but not the least, we have Matt with Pro AI. I think the ones that I watch the most. This is among all. This is also among those channels. You see, it's quite an interesting channel. So this concludes the list of 7 channels that you can watch to enhance your learning on AI and consume AI related content. And this list was curated by this wonderful creator on X, Vidhi Parmar. I think I should follow her as well. So this is the list. And anyways, coming back to the very first point that we started with, a company having a website like this got $400 million in funding right now and is valued at around 2 billion US dollars. So this is where we are at in terms of AI. A lot of influx of money is being witnessed, and I think it's the high time to learn about AI and all related stuff if we want to adapt in the future. If you are interested in this sort of content, you can consider watching the other videos on my channel as well. And right now on your screen, you'll be seeing 2 that are most relevant to you. So I'll see you in those.